in Amalfi, going on a day cruise to Capri and all around the coast. Excited.
Wait, this could be awesome.
I'm gonna go see some beautiful grottos, spend a day on the water. Keep watching if you want to come along. If you are not already part of my YouTube fam, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. We were given specific instructions to walk out to this pier and meet our guy.
You have your receipt?
Did you bring the paper?
What paper?
Ah, of course, I forgot this freaking piece of paper that we're supposed to give our boat driver. So I have to like run back to our hotel room and grab it. Thankfully, our hotel is so close to the piers. That is one of the benefits of staying at Hotel La Bussola. Oh my God, so close to everything. So highly recommend staying there in Amalfi. All right, headed back now. Hopefully I'm not too late. This was actually my husband and I's first wedding anniversary, and I couldn't have thought of a better way to spend this very special day. We set out from the port of Amalfi early in the morning around 8:30 for a full day of fun on the coast. This was not a private tour, so we had other people on this boat with us. I thought there would probably be some other English-speaking people, but no, everyone was Italian, so we were basically the odd people out the entire day. Our first stop was the Emerald Grotto. Do we get on a boat?
Yeah.
We are in the Emerald Grotto. So I guess we're gonna get on these little rowboats and check it out a little closer. It's pretty cool. We're about to get a nap. We're on the boat.
One more bag, hello, one more bag. One more bag. One more. Very romantic, honeymoon?
Sì?
Nice, congratulations.
Thank you.
Come facciamo la spiegazione anche per voi che capite. Look over there, big stalactites, stalagmites around 1 centimeter every 40 years. The big one, stalactites, imagination looks like Tower Pisa, La Torre di Pisa.
At this point, our gondolier, who had a ton of personality and was really working for his tip, started singing to us his own custom-made song. I'll let you listen.
For you guys, special tour America, very romantico, only for you guys. It's on I want to know. Kiss me, my darling. Special tour for you. Thank you very much. Don't forget the capital.
Woo!
Okay, yeah. Give me camera. Special tour American.
Oh my God.
Only for you guys.
Hey, that's the feeling.
Congratulations, America. Very romantic. Special tour for you, romantico. Only for you guys. Se ho bene può campare, con uno respira. Romantico for you, only for you guys. America romantic for you, only for you guys. Organ Cathedral, organ fantasia, la canne di un organo. Come vedete un coccodrillo?
The Emerald Grotto was absolutely beautiful, and we had such such a memorable experience thanks to our gondolier.
Sweating like a fucking crazy person.
I know, oh my god, that was fun, but oh my god, I was dying in there. It was kind of hot. No breeze. Woo, but beautiful.
This bridge is famous for the diving competition. Every summer there is the Red Bull competition. So Red Bull is diving from the bridge in the water.
Wow.
And then it's 22 meters. 32 meters.
Wow. After our first two stops, our driver took us next to a place called Legale, which is thought to be where the sirens were in the Odyssey, if any of you all read that book in school.
So now we are in Legale Island. Legale is the luxury island in Amalfi Coast. It's possible to rent this place for celebration. Island is the big tower. It's building in the 12th century from the Arab Empire. And now there is like around 13 bedrooms inside the tower. And then there is another big apartment.
After telling us a bit about Legale and how very expensive it is to rent for celebrations like weddings, our driver popped some wine and we enjoyed a glass in this beautiful location.
È meglio andare direttamente alla Grotta Azzurra perché c'è una fila da aspettare, c'è da aspettare almeno un'oretta per entrare, spendere 14 euro a persona e l'ingresso è più o meno di massimo 5 minuti, mentre si esce con la barca. Non è molto consigliata oggi perché non c'è sole, quindi non si può vedere bene il riflesso.
Our driver offered to let us get out and swim in Legale, but everyone agreed that we wanted more time in Capri, so we pressed on to our destination. So blue. Wow.
Now we are in Capri and this one is called the Coral Cave because now when you go inside, if you look near the rocks, you can see like the orange coral in around the cave.
Did you know that it is believed that the Greeks were actually the first inhabitants of Capri? Some remains that were found in 1882 on Capri have been carbon dated as far back as the year 8 BC, and remnants of town buildings that have been found on either side of the island that suggest two different villages were first made there. If you're looking at this beautiful rock formation and immediately thinking about Dolce & Gabbana's light blue ad campaign, then you're probably not far off because I'm pretty sure this is where they shot it. Faraglione is also known as the Monster's Teeth, and it is probably the most recognizable landmark in Capri. This incredible trio of rock formations coming out of the Mediterranean Sea is absolutely breathtaking to behold. It's no wonder that so many fashion campaigns and films have used this beautiful place as their setting. stop for a couple hours. Whew. More fun to ride on the front. Once on land in Capri, we made it our mission to find a place to eat lunch. I knew that the center of Capri was a little bit up from this port area. Unfortunately, we took a wrong turn and ended up hiking our way all the way to the top. Ride the scooter? Here we are on the pathway that will get you to the center of Capri. Now, there is a sort of lift that will take you up this way without making you sweat like crazy, and unfortunately, we did not find that till we got to the top. But at least I was burning off my pasta. We have no idea where we're going. I'm just hiking up this random street, hoping to find food. Guess this is the way. It's not very far. It doesn't look like it is on the map. Oh. Little did I know, it was farther. We're still not to the top, but the view is starting to be amazing. Oh God. Hey kitty. Okay, that's a gorgeous view. Wow. So there's like a lift that takes you up here, and we hiked it instead because we're dummies. Oh well. Got my cardio in for the day though, that's for sure. Let's just find food. Capri has to be the most glamorous town in the Amalfi Coast. Known for its designer clothing stores, upscale restaurants, and luxury hotels, you really feel like you are in another world. Basically, it's just window shopping here for me, but a girl can dream. An okay spot to have a glass of wine. I mean, the view is okay. It could be better.
Not so hot.
And to think we hiked up all of that. I mean, taking in the view here is something else. The water is so blue, the scenery is so epic and dramatic. I wish we had more time to explore more of Capri. It really is such a beautiful island. Of course, you know me, photos or it didn't happen. Thanks to my little Bluetooth clicker, Nate and I can get cute photos wherever we go. So this is the elevator. We should have come up, but we didn't. But we'll go down. Yeah.
Window is open. There we go. As my granddaughter tells me when she's driving me around the
Would have come up this instead of hiking, we would have not done it inside.
So, see this part where it splits?
Yeah.
That's the halfway point.
How do you know?
Because both these cars are
What Nate was just explaining to me is that this is a funicular, which is two trolleys that basically pull each other's weight. When one goes up, other one comes down, and they use each other's weight to travel along the tracks. These are their taxis. How cute are they? For our last stop of the day, our driver took us off the shores of Positano to take a little dip in the Mediterranean before heading back to Amalfi. It was such a beautiful afternoon, and Positano is always such a stunning landscape to look at. I have a feeling the water is going to be really cool. I'm going to do it. Are you going to do it? Yeah. All right.
For like 10 minutes.
We're going to freeze probably, but that's okay. Can't beat swimming with that view. After a quick swim, it was back home to Amalfi. Honestly, it was such an incredible day, and I'm so glad that we chose to do this for our first wedding anniversary. It will be something I remember for the rest of my life. Hope you enjoyed that little Amalfi adventure with us today.
It was pretty awesome.
Make sure you check out my other Italy videos, which I will link at the end. Until next time, ciao bella.
Ciao.